how to transfer contacts from old iPhone to new iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer contacts from your old iPhone to your brand new iPhone. It's super simple, so let's get started. But before that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and give a like to this video. It really helps us out. Now let's move on towards the video. First, you need to head over to your contacts. Now that you're in the contacts, you can see all your contacts over here. And once you have done that, you need to simply long hold on all iCloud, and here you can see the export button pops out. You need to simply go ahead and tap on export option over here. Once you do that, you need to tap on AirDrop. Now that you have opened AirDrop in this phone, you need to simply go ahead and open AirDrop in your new iPhone. And once you have accepted invitation on that iPhone, all your old contacts will be transferred to your new iPhone. And that's it. You now know how to transfer contacts from old iPhone to your new iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.